In this video, I will review this brilliant Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun microphone, which would include unpacking this microphone, setting it up for the first time, and talking through some of their features, and then finally testing it. So one of the features of this microphone is that it has got low cut filter to minimize wind noise. This video is now recorded using the same microphone without turning on the low cut filter because I'm indoor and there's no wind, hence it wouldn't make any difference. You can see all the timestamp of this video to my left here. Let's start unboxing it. Again, the package wasn't sealed. It was just no sticker in here to know whether it was already open or not. But I'm gonna go ahead, open it. Inside you find this long manual, a bag for your shotgun microphone. Some nice cushion, a foam, feels nice. Shoe mount for mounting on the tripod or on top of your camera. And the microphone itself looks very sturdy, quite heavy for its size. I think, as I read, it is made from metal casing, so it should be pretty strong. So this is the end where the microphone is. You can see it's quite a lot of space for the sound to come in. Even on here you can see the microphone is quite long where it records from, and it has got at the other end XLR male, so we need an XLR female to connect this to our camera. Nice foam, and then you take the foam out. Basically that's it, it's empty. Very simple and straightforward. As I said in my previous video, I don't really care that much about the packaging. Some companies spend fortune on packaging and less on the quality of their product. All I care is the quality of this product. So in order to put the battery, just rotate it. There's a screw there, then it comes out, opens like this. As soon as you put, it makes a small red light. So it has only two buttons. One is for battery on and off, and the other is for reducing the noise. So this top one is the normal level, and the bottom one reduces the low level noise. So if you're in a windy situation, you need to activate the bottom one. So in order to mount the microphone on top of the camera, you just put this shoe on top here on the shoe hole, and then you can tighten it with the knob here, and you're done. So in order to connect the microphone to the camera, you need a TRS female to a 3.5mm jack. So you connect the TRS, and then the other end will go to the side of the camera where it says mic, and now we are connected. Don't forget that you would have to turn it on using this knob here by pressing it up. Lights turn on for one short second. That means now it is on. It is important to remember that this doesn't automatically turn off. So if once you have turned it on and once you have finished recording, you would have to manually come here and turn it off. I have lost a few batteries because I forgot to turn it off. So don't forget, it's very important after every recording to turn this off. Another problem that I had with this microphone was this knob here. You can see this knob is not a very good quality and it is coming off quite easily. You can also mount this microphone onto a tripod, which I'm gonna show you now. There is a place for putting the screw in. All you need to do is put the screw in from one end. This is a standard for microphone, and then you put it there, and you can see now it's mounted on a tripod. For connecting to the tripod, I got another cable which is 6 meters long. As you can see, it's very long. I bought it from Amazon. It came quite cheap. Again, one thing to mention is that if you look at the TRS part, you can see that it has only one ring. It means that it is a mono channel cable and not a stereo. Mono channel cables, which is balanced, would do a better job in transmitting the signals without any interference. I connect now the other end. goes in pretty well. So again, you need to buy this cable separately, doesn't come with it. And I have also bought an adapter to convert the TRS into 3.5mm jack so that I could connect it to my camera. So I put the TRS into the female and I connect the 3.5mm jack into the microphone port, and now we are connected. Again, don't forget that you have to turn on the battery and the light turns on for a few seconds. So now we're gonna test it and you can hear the quality of the sound. On Amazon it costs £229, which is same as €255 and US dollars $287. So this should give you a good sense of distance between the microphone there and between me. One point I want to make here is that the microphone should be pointing towards your chest. That's when you could get the best audio and less of your breathing sound. Just you can see the distance better like this between microphone and the wall. Now I'm gonna go to some of its main features. Again, I'm recording with the same microphone. The pickup pattern of this microphone is super-cardioid. Super-cardioid means it's very directional and hence it would eliminate any background noise. So it's very good for interviews in crowded places, especially if you hold the microphone very close to the person and the crowd is behind the microphone. This microphone is 20mm diameter and 256mm length, so it's quite long and narrow. The maximum sound pressure of this microphone is 132 decibel with the battery and 126 decibel without battery. If you don't have a Phantom P48 power, you need to use one single AA size battery, and the battery life is approximately 150 hours. As I mentioned earlier, you have to manually turn the battery off. The frequency response of this microphone is 40 Hz to 20 kilohertz, so it covers a very wide range of frequencies. It weighs 128 grams without batteries. Obviously, if you put the battery in, it becomes heavier. And its operating temperature range is from -10 degrees C to +60 degrees C. And its casing is made up of metal, so it's quite rugged and strong. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.